Why tell people all your secrets?
Because they're not secrets. I don't think that learning about how to cook a great meal is going to make you not want to go to a restaurant. I don't think that learning about cleaning is not going to make you want to hire a cleaning service. I think that it just educates you and actually makes you more willing to buy it because you understand the value of it, you understand the need for it.
We are acting in the best interest of our clients, and if we're not understanding each other, if they don't know how to ask for what they want from us and vice versa, then it's never going to work out. So education's huge. I'm happy to make recommendations and give away information because then we can communicate on the same level.
I think knowledge is power, and knowledge just helps people decide what it is they do want to do.
Being educated never hurts. It never hurts to know what the market is like. I would love everyone to know everything. I want to be as transparent as we possibly can about why we charge what we charge, what we make.
For example, some people may think it's fine just to grab their phone and make a video. However, they don't have any clue what story they want to tell. They don't realize that they don't even know how to get the video into editing software in the first place to even put it together. And all of this starts with just education. You tell people, here's everything that we go through before we make a video. Here's our pre-production process. Here's how we come up with the story we're going to tell. Here's how we come up with the questions we're going to ask you. Here's how we're going to tell the story. There's
nothing that I can teach you that's going to make you not want to hire me. And if you don't, then great, go do your thing. Even if somebody were to take the course and create a video company that basically did exactly what Mainstream did and genuinely wanted to help people tell their stories, I believe there's room for all of us. I think if all business were like that, and you understood that this couch is this way because this, and this went into it, buy it if you want all those things. But if you don't need those things, you don't need to spend that money, because here's what this is. I think that deception is what's wrong with the world. This is a whole tirade I don't want to go into,